Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. My name is Hanmant Ladwa, and in this video we are going to write a program to find greatest of two numbers in C. Now let us write the preprocessor directives hash include stdio.h hash include conio.h, and now we are going to write void main function curly open brace, and here we are going to declare all the variables that are to be used in our program. I'll declare them with the data type int. I'll take two variables a and b and one more variable called large. Now we'll write CLR SCR that clears the screen. Now I'll ask the user to enter two numbers in printf function. Enter two numbers. Now I'm going to write scanf statement to receive two numbers using format specifier %d and %d in double quotation mark, comma, ampersand of a and ampersand of b. Now we are going to initialize the value of a to the variable called large. So let us write large is equal to a, means a value is initialized to large. Now we'll take simple if statement. B is greater than large. If this is true, then large is assigned with value b. Next we'll write printf, and in a double quotation mark I'm going to write largest number is %d, end the double quotation mark, put comma, and then I'm going to write the variable called large and put semicolon and write get ch function and curly closing brace. Now let us take an example. Here I'm going to write output. When we compile and run this program, it will ask the user to enter two numbers. I'm going to write enter two numbers. Here we are going to write two numbers. For example, I'm going to write 10 and 20. So a is assigned to variable a and 20 is assigned to variable b. So here you can see large is equal to a. So I'm going to write large is equal to a is what? 10. So 10 is initialized to large. Next we are going to check the condition if b is greater than large. What is the value of b? 20. Greater than large. Large is what? 10. Whether 20 is greater than 10? Yes, it is true. If it is true, then large is equated with the new value is equal to, what is the value of b? That is 20. So 20 will be stored in large. If it is true, then the large value is set to 20. I'll write here printf statement. In a printf statement, it is going to print largest number is, so %d large. So here large consisting of 20. So what is going to happen if I interchange the numbers? If I initialize 20 to a, so we'll take run 2. So this is second time we are going to run it once again. So it will ask the user to enter two numbers. Now I'm going to enter 20 and 10. Now this 20 is equated to variable a and 10 is equated to variable b. Now large is equal to a is what? 20. Now we'll check the condition if b is greater than large. What is b? B here it is 10. Greater than large is 20. Whether it is true or false, it is false because 10 is not greater than 20. So here this initialization do not takes place because this condition is false. So directly control jumps to printf statement and it is going to print largest number is percentage d large. What is the value stored in large now? 20. So it is going to print 20. So let us execute this program. For that, I will take you to my laptop screen.
Here I have already written this program to save your time in Turbo C++ integrated development environment, and now it's time to compile this program by pressing Alt F9. Here you can see it is showing success, means there is no syntax error, and now it's time to go for executing this program by pressing Ctrl F9. Here you can see it is asking the user to enter two numbers. First I'm going to enter 10 and then 20, and I'm going to press enter. Here you can see it is showing largest number is 20. We'll go for executing the same program once again. I'm going to press enter, and now I'm going to press once again Ctrl F9 to run the program and to interchange the values. Now I'm going to enter 20 and 10. Now I'm going to press enter. Even if I interchange the numbers, the largest number is 20.
I hope you understood. Write in a comment as understood. Thank you.